Hey Sarah, what I thought I would do, if you don't mind, is I figured I'd just put together a quick video to explain this. There would be a lot of writing that goes with this, and I would probably confuse you and me if I tried to write this all out. So I figured what I would do is I would just give you a quick video here. So if I understand from your email, so this is the compound statement that you're looking to run to ground here. So in the parentheses here, it looks like we've got not P or Q and not Q. So let me show you what I've already populated here, and then we'll get to the pieces of this and get this solved. So notice I've got the independent statements. I've got P and Q, and I've considered the combinations of true and false to go along with these statements. So I got true, 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 false, false, true, false, false. And notice since I need not P and not Q, I've already populated a not P column, and I've put it here so I can kind of do this in sequence. I got Q and not P here so I can handle this. And notice I put the not Q over here. Notice that these are the opposites of, notice that, well, let's just do this. Since we got true, true, false, false over here, since we got not P, we got false, false, true, true. So it's the opposite, obviously, in each case. And since we got true, false for Q, we got false, true, again, being the opposite. So just let me make this point here. When we get a response here, either true or false, notice that will be for the original statement of both individual statements being true. So make sure that you, excuse me, that you tie these solutions, these final solutions, to the values of the statements that we have over here on the left. And what I thought I would also do that might be helpful, just so there's no concern here, I've got the basic truth tables for two arguments. This is the OR table that comes into play here, and the AND table that comes in here in the end. So I think with this in hand, we can go ahead and we can knock out these 8 blocks here and finish this up fairly quickly. So if I'm starting with true, true, if I'm looking at not P or Q, effectively what I'm looking at is a compound statement where one is true and one is false. So if I have true or false, notice down here, let's see, true or false in each case is true. So this statement is true. Let me see, make sure give me 1 second to format this, Sarah, real quick. And then we'll do the same here. All right, so one more time. So again, since I'm starting with 2 true statements, not P would be false. So effectively what I'm looking at here is not P or Q. So false and true in the OR category is a true. Here I have got false, false, which is going to be according to the basic table. This is a false. And then I've got true or true, which is going to be true. And then I got false or true, which is going to be false. Let me correct that. So one more time here, let's just make sure we've got this correct. True or false is true. False or false is false. True or true is true. And false or true is true. False or true is true. So let me make sure I get that squared away there. Sorry, I made the mistake there. All right, let's see, true, true. Yes, all right, so it looks like we're good there. So we've got the not P or Q handled here, and then we just need to combine that with the not Q in order to get this. So we're just considering and statements here. So true and false, false and true, true and false, true and true. So we can just look at the and table. So true and false is going to be false. False and true is going to be false. True and false, let's see, true and false is going to be false, and true is going to be true. So again, let me just highlight here. So for statements where P and Q are both true, the compound statement that we're looking at here would be false. And then if we start with true, false, we get false. Let's see, if we start with false, true, we get, well, I don't know why I can't. Little dexterous problem here. We go with false, true, we get false. And then if we start with false, false, we end up with a statement that is true. So let's see. Let's just do this one more time just to make sure we haven't made a mistake here. So again, let's see. Not P would be false, false, true, true. Not Q would be false, true, false, true. I agree with that. So looking at not P or Q, so false, true is true. False, false is false. True, true is true. True, false is true. So we're good there. And then in the and category, we got true and false, which is false. False and true, which is false. True and false, which is false. And true, which is good. So, Sarah, I hope this helps. If not, send me a note and we can go through this another way. Maybe we need to hop on the phone. Take care and have a great day.